Hello everyone! Welcome back to Luto at Bake Tayo. I know you have been asking for this recipe for a very long time. So today, I will be teaching you how to make condensed milk cheese rolls made with F&N condensed milk. And here are the ingredients. We will be working with 9 ingredients. 490 grams all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 grams bread improver, 42 grams butter, 10 grams sugar, 8 grams yeast, 1 cup water, 1 large egg. We have cheese and our 150 grams F&N condensed milk. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna do is to put the sugar into the water and dissolve it by using a small whisk. Okay, once it's dissolved, we put in our yeast. So the water is just room temperature water, no need to warm it. And then let this sit for about 5 minutes. There, until it gets frothy. While waiting for the yeast to bloom, we put our dry ingredients into the bowl of our stand mixer. We put in the flour, this one is the bread improver, and then we also put in the salt. So once our yeast mixture is okay, so I just pour half of it, and with the use of my rubber spatula, I help the mixing so it would be easier once I put in our dough hook. So there, just mix it slightly and then attach your dough hook and start mixing the ingredients together. Using your dough hook, you continue mixing this until you can see that it's coming together. Next, we add in the egg. So when the dough starts to come together, we pour in our condensed milk. Last to add into the mixture is your butter. You continue kneading the dough until it becomes smooth, approximately about 8 to 10 minutes. Expect the dough to be soft and sticky. In the meantime, add a little oil into a large bowl. Just use your brush to do that. After about 8 minutes, you'll see the dough getting smooth. So I rub oil into my fingers so the dough won't stick as I get a little amount of the dough to do my window pane test. There, so just pull the dough once it doesn't break. There, so the dough is good. So we're done. So we have just tested that the dough is now flexible, so it's about time to remove the dough and to start fermenting it. There, I just put a little oil into my hand to avoid dough from sticking. So I formed the dough into a smooth ball. There you go. So you see, it's really nice. No? The dough is really good. Okay, now at this point, we coat the dough with oil to prevent it from sticking as it dries. And then it is now ready for fermentation. So I'm going to cover this with a cling wrap. So make sure that you have to cover the bowl very well with a cling wrap. And then you ferment this for 60 minutes in the hottest part of your home. Grease your pan very well. This is not mayonnaise though, this is shortening. Make sure to grease the entire pan very well. Now start preparing your cheese and cut them into cubes. So after about 60 minutes, or when the dough is double the size already, so this is the time we remove it from the bowl and we punch down, or we call this process as degassing. Remove the gas from the dough. So just press it well to remove the gas. So in your floured table, just lay it down, and this is the time that we portion our dough into 24 pieces. So I use my bench scraper to portion my dough. Now if you want to do commercial preparation for this one, it is fine to use a weighing scale, but at this point, since we are just doing this for home eating, so I just divide my dough into 24 pieces. After portioning, form each into balls and let it rest for about 10 minutes covered with plastic. Once rested, flatten the ball by using your rolling pin and fill it with cheese. There. And then you secure properly so as to prevent the cheese from oozing out. You just pinch, pinch, pinch very well and secure it. And then just form it again into a nice ball. It's just to flatten it using your hand. And then the same way you fill it in with cheese and tuck it very well and secure it to prevent your cheese from coming out. So just pinch, 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 secure, and make again into a nice ball. Arrange filled dough into this prepared baking pan. It's like 4 by 6. Once done, cover the pan with a thick plastic or cloth. Proof the dough for about 45 to 60 minutes. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When proofing is done, and oven temperature has reached 350 degrees Fahrenheit, pop in the pan into the oven and bake it for 15 minutes. And after just 15 minutes, yay, it's done! Just take it out from your oven. Immediately brush your hot cheese rolls with butter. and then sprinkle with sugar. Then generously grate cheese on top. Now our condensed milk cheese rolls are ready. So soft and simply the best. So I'm encouraging everybody to make yours today. So look at that. It's really good. Look at that. They're so sarap. Please share and tag me in your creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Luto at Bake Tayo. See you in our next video!